Best Infant Car Seat. Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best infant car seat just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best infant car seat to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. Graco Extend 2-Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Having used this seat for my toddler over many months, I found it to be a very dependable, long-lasting choice. The standout feature was the extended rear-facing capacity. Children up to about 50 pounds can remain rear-facing, which significantly enhances safety during infancy and early toddler years. The adjustable extension panel gives extra leg room, so even taller toddlers don't complain about cramped legs. Comfort is very good. The padding is plush, head and body inserts are supported for small babies, and the seat reclines enough for naps. The harness headrest combination adjusts without rethreading, which makes daily adjustments easy. On the downside, the seat is somewhat bulky and heavy, which made it harder when I tried to move it between cars. Also, cleaning, while theoretically machine washable, was a bit of a hassle. The cover is tight to remove and reinstall. When fully rear-facing with the leg rest extended, it takes up considerable space, maybe tricky in smaller cars. Given its long usable life and strong safety-oriented rear-facing range, this seat is worth buying if you want a set-and-forget solution from infancy through toddlerhood without repeated seat upgrades. For the price, its versatility and longevity make it good value.
Product number 2. Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Using this car seat was a different experience compared with the heavier, longer-use convertibles. It felt more manageable when installing and moving between vehicles, less bulky and a bit lighter, which for me made daily car rides simpler when switching cars. The more compact footprint of this model gives an advantage if you have limited backseat space. It is straightforward and functional. Solid 5-point harness, basic padding, and decent comfort for toddlers who have outgrown rear-facing seats. Installation feels simpler than some of the large full-size seats because of its compact design. However, since this is more of a forward-facing seat rather than the rear-facing long kind, I felt it lacked the extended rear-facing safety benefit. For newborns or small babies, it doesn't offer the cradle-style support and extended rear-facing period. Also, the padding and cushioning feel more minimal compared to heavier convertible seats. Good enough, but not luxurious or ultra-comfortable for long rides. In my view, this seat makes sense if you have a slightly older toddler, limited car space, or need something lighter. It is likely cheaper than the full convertible models, so its compactness and lower price make it a practical, budget-oriented option if you don't need rear-facing for long.
Product number 3. Graco Snug Ride Lite LX Infant Car Seat. I used this Graco seat for a child in the mid-toddler age range, and it felt like a balanced seat in many respects. The harness is secure, and the seat build seems sturdy and durable. Like many in the Graco family, its convertible design, rear-facing to forward-facing, offers flexibility as the child grows. Comfort and padding are adequate. For routine short rides, the seat does its job well. The adjustable features like harness height worked acceptably, and installation was reasonably straightforward. However, in my experience, this seat felt somewhat generic, not exceptional in either comfort or space, comparing to more premium convertible seats. Especially for longer trips, padding could be better, and leg or overall seat space felt somewhat limited as the child grew bigger. Given its modest performance and likely lower price compared to premium convertible seats, this seat may represent a budget middle compromise, better than the bare minimum, but not as full-featured as high-end convertibles. If you want a simple, functional car seat for everyday use without high expectations for long-term comfort or extended rear-facing, this could be a reasonable economic choice.
Product number 4. Graco Tri-Ride 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. I found Tri-Ride to be a decent grow-with-child seat. It supports rear-facing for infants, 5 to 40 pounds, forward-facing for toddlers, up to 65 pounds, and even transitions into a high-back booster, up to 100 pounds, so you get a long, useful life from one seat. Safe beginnings. The harness and headrest adjust together without re-threading, and the recline and installation system is fairly user-friendly. For daily commuting, I appreciated that this seat strikes a middle balance, not as heavy or bulky as the full-size convertible seats, yet offering more flexibility than a simple forward-facing seat. Having cup holders and a washable seat pad are practical perks when using regularly. But it does trade off some comfort. For longer rides, I felt the cushioning wasn't as plush as in more premium models, and leg and seat space seemed more constrained once my child was fairly tall. Also, in booster mode, the belt guiding system requires careful setup to ensure safety, not as intuitive as the harness mode. If you prefer a seat that can carry your child from infancy through early school years, and you value flexibility and moderate ease of installation over premium comfort, Tri-Ride can be a solid, budget-conscious pick.
Product number 5. When I tried this seat, I found it more suitable for older toddlers or young children who no longer need infant-level support. Its design is simpler and lighter than most convertible seats, which made installation and occasional removal easier. The forward-facing or booster-style seat is adequate for everyday rides or short drives. Because it is not tailored for newborns or early infancy, it lacks the infant-specific padding and extended rear-facing safety period that some of the other seats offer. For very small babies, I wouldn't recommend it. For toddlers who have outgrown rear-facing, and for parents who want a straightforward, affordable booster, it does the job acceptably well. In my use, I noticed that comfort and side impact protection feel more basic compared to premium seats. Padding is thinner and seat space is modest. However, its lower price point and lighter, simpler build make it a viable budget seat for older babies or toddlers. If you're on a tight budget, have limited space, or just need a seat for an older child rather than a newborn, this seat makes sense mainly for its cost-effectiveness and practicality.